There's a pool outside.
Now, clearly, guys, I just because I know what y'all gonna say. There's shit in the pool. There's stuff in the pool. No, guys, this house looks like it was just finished yesterday.
Yeah,
you know what I mean. Like this is what happened.
Yeah, like there was still a guy like trying to get the dirt outside together for the garden.
Yeah, like this house was just built. Like. Yes, it's gonna have some stuff, but when it's like fully cleaned up and like this is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful house.
Beautiful. I really wanted to give Kenya another chance. Like
we did. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do something for y'all. I really want to show you guys. They
genuinely think we don't have anything good to say about Kenya as far as their homes.
Well, let me tell y'all a little something about Kenya. If you guys go to the Top Hill page, I was actually in Kenya last year. I did a whole bunch of different travel vlogs while I was out there. Make sure you guys go and check that out. And one of my experiences while I was out there, I actually got to interview... Where is that interview at with him? Mfalme Musa. Shout out to our guy, Mfalme Musa. If you guys don't know, if you guys are in Kenya, you guys probably know who he is. But basically, he left America. He's from Philly. Him and his wife and his kids up and left. Started their life. Yes, started their life out there in Kenya, and we had an amazing conversation, guys. Like, if you guys, we were talking for an hour before the pod. After the pod, we talking for like another hour. Like we had a really, really great conversation. Shout out to Mfalme Musa, really, really dope brother, and his wife as well too. She has her own channel and she does a really good job at her channel too. But a lot of the Kenyans, y'all know him. So one of our subscribers like, hey, Mfalme Musa did a property tour. So I was like, oh shit, that's our guy. So let me go ahead and get right into it. So Mfalme Musa did a house tour. He's inside $1 million luxury mansion in Africa, Nairobi, Kenya, to be specific. So, let's dive right into it. I'm excited to check this out. If you guys are new here, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We greatly, greatly appreciate it. Let's get into it. Damn.
Here we are in a $2 million home, 2 million USD.
Oh, damn, this is $2 million.
So,
and Kenya's a little pricey.
So here we have a 4-bedroom mansion.
This is much.
This is
I like this.
I don't know if you can hear that, but there's a waterfall inside.
Wow. He's fair use. Shout out to our girl Tim.
Let's come inside and take a look.
Let's speed her up a little bit.
Take me like up.
So I'll show you around. You see, beautiful big kitchen.
Damn, this shit fire.
We have a sunroom. So in Kenya, they call that a sunroom here. Then we can take a peek at the waterfall.
That's peaceful. I'll be sleeping like a baby every night.
I'm telling you.
Go check out the rest of the home. That waterfall. Imagine waking up to that waterfall every morning.
Yeah.
It sounds like you're next to the Pacific Ocean or the Indian Ocean. So you have this beautiful kitchen.
Oh yeah, I love this.
And in the back,
nice
you have what
open
they
floor
call
plan.
a wet room.
I like the fact that this house it looks like you're in a complex. Like you know what I mean? How the house is shaped. Like you can see other parts of the house, but it's like still all connected. Like this is a really well designed house. I like this one.
Now let's check out the dining room and the living room.
Oh yeah.
There's no prison yard in the back. We're good. You know, it doesn't look like neighbors can just look all up in your house.
I love that.
Now let's check out what's behind these doors.
Garage. Please tell me garage. Show me the garage, bro.
And if you can look up top, there's actually AC. You know, my mama always wants some AC.
This must be a theater room.
This is beautiful. So you can put your projector on the wall.
Yeah,
maybe
theater
a big
room.
screen TV. You put your comfortable couches here. You just sit back and watch, Black Panther, Woman King, stuff like that. Or Martin.
That's so funny he said that. I just seen Woman King again last week when I was in Ocean City.
What? Yeah, that movie's hard.
One of my favorite movies of the year. That shit was amazing. You guys haven't seen Woman King, go check that movie out.
So here we have the family room. Look at this. And as you can see, there's a pool outside.
Now, clearly, guys, I just because I know what y'all gonna say. There's shit in the pool. There's stuff in the pool. No, guys, this house looks like it was just finished yesterday.
Yeah,
you know what I mean. Like this is what happened.
Yeah, like there was still a guy like trying to get the dirt outside together for the garden.
Yeah, like this house was just built. Like. Yes, it's gonna have some stuff, but when it's like fully cleaned up and like this is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful house. Beautiful. This is amazing.
Is that wood?
It looked like it.
Okay.
Probably real wood too.
I know, but would that wear down over time?
I don't know. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, this show sped up in a bop.
Shout out my girl Tim's.
Yeah, for real. If Tim's didn't have good lawyers, I would reacting to all her music videos on here. Like, she just dropped another one, but shout out to Tim's and her lawyers.
Tim's and Beyonce got us in the chokehold.
Yeah,
like, I know my music good.
All the Nigerian artists, Burna Boy too. It's hard to react to any of their music. But anyway, yeah, let's see what my man Mfalme got.
And in the back we have what they call choma.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, my people from the United States.
Put a big bone and ribeye up in there, you know what I mean?
Inside. Take a peek inside, see how big that grill is. We have a sink as well.
Put a whole gator
we have
in
this
there.
beautiful sitting area for fire, or you call a fire pit.
Yeah,
I know you can imagine yourself. Well, roasting some marshmallows, right?
S'mores, yeah. Okay, even the first bedroom gets a balcony like that. And their own bathroom.
Oh, and it's not super narrow. Oh, I like that. I love the tub. Okay, Tim, spit up.
Yeah, this is a vibe. Fair use. Mfalme, how'd you get this show up here with no copyright?
I was about to ask him, like, how the hell he got it on here?
Mfalme, I'm gonna call you, bro. How'd you get this show cleared?
And I like the warm tones that the wood is giving off. Like, it's not like a bunch of grays and whites.
Yeah.
Like, just enough for it to like look in place and not out of place.
Simple. They're not trying to do too much,
Still feels homey. It doesn't feel like necessarily like an Airbnb. It's just like a nice large luxury home.
I love the fact that every bedroom has a balcony too. I like the overview of the foyer.
Yeah, and I like how like the neighbors' houses are like somewhat elevated, so it's not like they're necessarily like looking right over or like into your home.
Oh, that's a big ass balcony too.
This the master?
Yeah.
Oh, sunroom? Or office maybe?
They said they call it study. Damn. That's a lot of room for the master, okay. Big
oh my god, look at that closet. The closet is a room in itself.
Damn. What? Where? Wow.
Oh yeah. I love this. See, come on now, Kenya. I knew you could do better.
Yeah, come on now.
Stop playing with her.
How we get this one, so I guess I'll keep coming. But I feel no way to play alone. And don't cause I want you. Baby, I just want you to get.
Yo, the music selection, bro, is fire. I ain't gonna lie. This show hot. Yo, this about to be crazy.
Keep focus on me. Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Keep focus on me. Baby, can you focus?
Got a little boxing joint right there. Yeah. What's over there? What's that? But yeah, I like what you said. Like the positioning with the other neighbors in the home too is perfect. Not intrusive at all.
Oh yeah, this home was beautiful.
We gotta go home. We gotta get the.
Alright, yeah, alright, I'm getting out, I know. I don't got 2 million yet. Yo, shout out to my man Mfalme Musa once again, man. I'll give him another round of applause. And make sure you guys like the video for sure and subscribe to his channel. He got some really, really dope content on there for sure. And yeah, so this is a house. You know what I mean? This is a house. Now I will say this is pricey. 2 million USD.
2 M's.
That's a lot. That's a lot, man. That's a lot of bread.
2
you know what I
M's.
mean?
But you don't gotta pay land tax.
Right. But let me see. I wish I knew what neighborhood in Kenya this was in to like just kind of see what is around. If anybody in the comments, if you guys know where this house is or what neighborhood you think this is, let us know in the comments. I would love to do some research on it to see. But you know, in true Top Hill fashion, guys, we'll show you guys a comparable home. So we are in the Washington D.C. area.
And how many bedrooms did they have?
I want to say it was 4 or 5.
Was it 5?
Okay, second. And I know there was a third, and then there was the master.
Okay, so about 4.
Yeah, we'll say it's 4.
Okay, so we might be able to find something a little bit more.
Something comparable. Something comparable. Okay. So the house is 2 milli. So we're gonna do let's do 2 million to 200. All right.
Okay.
We're gonna do 4 bedrooms.
Mm-hmm.
Do 3.5 baths. Okay.
Okay, what's that?
What's this right here? Okay, all right. Fight back, DC.
Yeah.
Fight back. This looks like
zone home, but yeah.
This is a room. What the heck is
an
that
apartment complex?
I'm so confused. This look. What is DC doing? I think it's just this.
Oh, what? Just one?
Yeah, it's just one row home.
Oh.
And it doesn't look like they have nothing on the inside yet. So this is just like,
maybe baby.
Yeah, so this is definitely artificial intelligence. So let's go ahead and find the house. I got some more pictures.
Oh, okay. Got my neck.
All right. Let's see. So
I thought, how the fuck much do these houses cost out here?
Carmen, these houses is not playing.
How the fuck do I live here?
These houses is not playing. All right, so this is a $2 million house in DC. Of course, this is a row home, a townhome. You're gonna be connected to somebody. So just get cool with your neighbors.
This is the $2 million one. I'm trying to figure out how much are the townhouses near St. Elizabeth.
Oh, 4, 5 maybe.
Are you serious?
Yeah, they're up there.
And it's haunted? Like, damn.
Nah, like DC is freaking expensive, man. Like you're not gonna get that much with your money. So like, you know what I mean? This looks nice on the inside. Like, you know what I mean? This is a decent
Okay,
house.
I like this.
Yeah.
She's $2 million though. Like,
Yeah, she not chump. It's just, you know what I mean? It's still, this is what $2 million is gonna get you
okay.
in the United States. Oh, look at that backyard though. Hold up, let me show you. Hold up. Look at that. Yeah. Look at that backyard. Yeah. And guys, let me tell you something. DC got a rat problem. You hear me? Like, like not even on the sneak. Like on real live rat problem. So like when I see the trash cans out here in the front yard like this, like they be in these junk going through it. You hear me? Like they be in here going crazy. So yeah. So yeah, you can go with this, or you can go with that. What? You want me? What you thinking over there? What you thinking? I
thought we was gonna have a few more options.
Oh, here we go. Here's one in Maryland.
Okay.
You get outside of DC a little bit, you can
got
find
your
something.
own home.
Get your own home. Let's see if we can get some more pictures. All right, yeah. Fight back. All right. Oh wait, what is this? All right, they got me. Got a neck again.
Ow.
They just saying what this.
Well, how much is that?
Right.
Like, ow, shit.
But yeah, man. Okay.
That shit hurt my feelings. Goddamn.
Yeah. All right. Well, anyway, once again, shout out to Mfalme Musa once again, man.
Top hill.